Hello, hello. Hello, everyone. How's everyone doing today? So we'll get straight into coverage today. We'll get straight into coverage, of course, of this event. Right now, we do have multiple tornado warnings. We have multiple tornado warnings right now in the area near Liberty, Texas, Hardin, Texas, Denver, Texas, and in the Warren area. Right now, this is there. None of these are confirmed at the time, but these have all produced at one point. If we go down to, if we switch over real quick to our other thing real quick, you will notice we do have tornado watches going and severe thunderstorm watches going from around the Shreveport area all the way down to the Galveston, Houston area. Right now, these are severe thunderstorm watches. If we do go show up radar up here, this is mainly rain. These should get canceled out in the next few hours, and then of course these are slowly moving out. So into Louisiana, when they do enter Louisiana, the live stream will end. Normal stuff so far. If we go pull up, let's go back to our main screen real quick. Right now we are looking at 3 tornado warnings. These storms have been producing stuff over the past few hours. We've had multiple things. If we pull up our view of satellite real quick, actually, we'll see these storms have been doing stuff since. Should be able to pull up a what happened. Well, if we can get the software to work, this is a experimental software. These things have been bubbling up over the past few hours. Let me just let's pull up Radar Omega till that fixes itself. We are also using a new software. You will notice at the bottom of your screen, those are tornado warnings and severe weather warnings. Right now, we are continuing to monitor the situation. Looks like right now these warnings should get continued. If we, why is nothing working? Fine, stop, please. If we go pull up velocity right now, you will notice nice little couplet right here showing up for us. And at the moment, you will see me looking at both screens. I do have a second monitor over here looking at a lot of random stuff. But at the same time, we do have a new camera up here, new GoPro set up for us, and it's pretty nice. And you will notice at the bottom of your screen, around right here, you will see tornado warnings around the area. Some of this isn't a perfect software. You will see stuff happen in Louisiana sometimes, and like right now, tornado watch in LA. Of course, you are in Texas or Oklahoma, so you will not care about that. And also, we are working on a few other things with the software below. It does show stuff all the way in Wyoming, where we're definitely not in Wyoming, and it shows winter advisories. Well, we will get fixed slowly. That's what we were running into, but I know we needed to go live anyway. Let's see. I think AWIPS is working to the best of its. That's our software we were looking at just a moments ago. This one, we go back over here. You'll notice this did slowly been drilling into a line. You do have these areas of blobs where you will notice them spinning. Those will most likely been the supercells we've been looking at. And really anything at this moment. I am just noticing now that this is not showing up at all. There we go. There we go. It's working. That's awkward. Okay. So now it's working. You will notice what I was talking about right here. These spinning things. These will be our cells that were supercells and were producing. They are no longer producing. That is very awkward for a software to not work at the moment. You know, it is a very fun. Everything we do here is so fun to do. Okay, I'm trying to figure out how to get this. Come on. There we go. Oh my goodness. This is. We are just learning this software. So we're learning a lot of things. This is all new. We weren't planning on going live today. Until the severe weather decided, hey, let's go produce some tornadoes. But I don't pick and choose. I don't get to pick and choose when we go live. Weather does. So at the moment, still our 3 tornado warnings appear kind of in the Van Egenstein and Hampton Pineland areas. We do have a severe with thunderstorm warning that is tornado possible. It is showing that down there now. Really cool software. I love this software. I've been messing around with it all day today. Hopefully we'll get it to work better later on, but yeah, beggars can't be choosers. And you will notice we do have some little cells popping up on the coast near Bay City. That was weird. We do have a few from tornadoes from earlier today. We had a few. I go to where's ours? I really needed to just like tomorrow. There's another severe weather event in this area and over here. Let me pull up the SBC real quick. So I'm hoping to that day there is parts in Texas, but nothing too big in Texas. But I'm hoping for this day I will hopefully get the software to be a little better and get in, learn how to do everything new with this. But we've had 3 confirmed tornadoes. These might be the same tornado. Could have been. This could be just a very long track tornado. If it was, that would have been a. That is the wrong. Like I said, need to get this whole software. This would be a 10-mile tornado. From these 2 reports, it would have been about 10 miles. So what is possible, but you know, very unlikely. So answer that. Both 2 of these tornado warnings have been. There's only 1 tornado warning now. The other 2 have been allowed to expire. And right now, that is in Liberty, Texas. That's in, I think that's county is called Liberty, Texas. Yes, Southern Liberty County is in this tornado warning at this moment. We still have a tornado possible up here, but I do think that will be changed soon because there is nothing really at the moment. Maybe this is a rotation. That is where our rotation is. So still something to monitor. This still is having half dollar sized hail and 60-mile-per-hour winds in the storm. This morning, actually, I don't know if they're still active or not, but we did have a nice little shower push, nice little storm push through the DFW Metro. I think I should be able to pull this up. Yeah, we had a nice little storm. These are the remnants of what we have right now. Sorry about that. I am back. That's what the remnants of this is. We do get actually a better view of this whole show, as this tornado is in 12 minutes to show that. So these actually started at around 4 a.m. this morning. Okay, that we need to go a little bit more far. Maybe 200 frames would work. I think that, no, actually that is not even when these showers started. Okay. We're going a little bit more farther back. This is the max farthest we can go during this, but so no, these showers started around, yeah, so that doesn't even go all the way far up. But you see, we had all these showers. Actually, so these mini showers over here, this whole line is the same trough that's actually producing these tornadoes over here. You'll notice we had some of these supercells produce, and then after that, you know, kind of went on their day. Nothing else has happened really. What just happened? I think we just did something. I don't know. But you've noticed these things have a lot of lightning in it right now. We go back to this could be something we might want to watch. It is getting that kind of look at the moment. If it does do anything, this would be heavily rain wrapped. A new severe thunderstorm warning for, so that would be right here when it actually shows up on. Okay, no, that's over here actually. This is tornado possible. So this is the storm we were literally just talking about. Funny enough. Yes. The delay from this and this software, it's very I'm hoping maybe ask the person who's developing the software for us. Figure out what warnings he has it on, because if we can figure out storm base, I have radar megs, those are fast. Clearly whatever he uses for that is faster, so I'll ask about that probably tonight. I'm supposed to go on a video call with him, but right now, yes, this does look like our next tornado producer could be. This one is dying out, and I'll go until I go look at the environment this thing is in real quick. I don't have that on my stream deck. That's surprising. This is okay, yeah, so this is a pretty decent area. We have some decent, this is a decent environment this storm is in. Right now, actually, this is very, I get better data through it. Let me go to the weather station real quick. In this area, we don't know. It just, you get better data through the, weather station near this, because the there's a lot of lightning on this storm. That is on here it doesn't show much, but you go look at, and of course I will release a full radar loop. Yeah, this thing has a lot of lightning on it. So they did just remove that. Oh, that's perfect timing. It right now, we have this warning right here. What does look like it will be our next producer. It is in an amazing environment right now. And a few other things. This still tornado possible. Yeah, that's starting to actually do a little bit better than it was. But this is going to move into Louisiana in the next hour or so. This is our storm to watch. Definitely seeing this producing something soon. Why is not? Why is that not? Definitely seeing this thing produce sooner or later. So if you are in this warning area, you do need to be in a safe location. This is a tornado possible. That is where that would be our rotation. Definitely see the next tornado warning be, or the next warning be here. This looks like nothing at the moment. Or it is moving out of the warning area. We do still have a tornado watch in effect in this area. So we'll see where that goes. This should be warned soon, in my opinion. Yeah, just look at that. That definitely needs to be warned soon. We actually pull up a GR2 real quick. Pull up my what y'all looking at the more broadcaster friendly I like to use when I broadcast. During live streams a lot of the time I'll be looking at the same thing. But if anytime like in this situation, I'm looking at this view. Well, let me switch this to. So this is NROT. It's predicting, it's showing up rotation in the area, in this area. And also if we pull up this, pull up cave real quick, we probably. I think that's the right storm. Yeah, that is the right storm. Yeah, so that is our storm. It is starting to actually do pretty good on. And I just closed the app. Okay, cool. I didn't close it. No, y'all can't see anything. Yeah, this definitely needs to get warned soon. They need to warn this like right now. Okay, let's see. This is still not warned, but okay. They need to warn it like sooner or later. reflectivity wise, it looks worse than it was earlier, but they did cancel this warning, this severe thunderstorm warning up here. Right now, I'm pretty sure. I wouldn't be surprised if. Okay, so as I'm saying this, funny enough, pull up the other radar screen. I could do this so much easier. Okay, it's so much easier if I just was able to do. Right now, the severe thunderstorm watch has been canceled for Texas, for this part of Texas up here. Just had a warning or had a watch, but now Louisiana, the tornado watch is still going to go on for another hour, 30 minutes. Maybe they might extend it at one point or not. That's what the SPC feels like. We also, if I pull up the other screen, I need to get better. We're gonna figure this out at one point. There is a new severe thunderstorm warning. I don't know if it up on here. Okay, it did. It did. Just had it. As of right now, gotta be honest, this does not look like it'll produce as of right now. It got strong at one point, like it had it had some good rotation, but the storm is definitely not done. I wouldn't say it's done. For now, because wild. Let's try to see if it maybe even a little. As of right now, did not produce at all. That's good. Yeah, this thing just looks. It had its moment, and then it kind of is now just doing its thing. Still probably has some really hail and wind in it, but as of right now, I'm gonna say this, and I'm gonna instantly regret it. Nothing's really happening. We are starting to build up a lot of flash flood warning in this area with the training of storms. Good thing to mention at this point. Uh, Nothing really to talk about right now, actually, tornado wise. Severe weather wise, though, we do still have these two severe thunderstorm. That suck. These two severe thunderstorm warnings. Uh, you do have a special marine warning until for about an hour and 51 minutes for Galveston down to uh Fort Lavacho. So that's fun, I guess. And well, this one will probably get extended soon. But right now, I think I just broke the software again. No, okay. Yes, I didn't. I did. No, no. I wanna put it on reflectivity or velocity. Okay. This could be our next thing. It's kind of giving you the look, but as of right now, nothing big, nothing really. So they did. I think. Let me check real actually. They did not, but these two. So we have two severe thunderstorm warnings at the moment. Like I've said, a few flash flood warnings. So far, I'm be honest, this event is going exactly as I thought it was going to go. With a baby tour potential for most of the day, and then having a few hours where you will have a bunch of it. And then, what's happening right now. Where we're kind of transitioning into our more of our non-severe threat, our more our severe threat not being a I think if we don't get a tornado warning in the next we do have a new report, but from earlier report of damage at an RV park and images of downed trees northwest of Moz Hill. So we do have a new. So this was the same storm from earlier. I have to go look back at radar, but this was the same storm. So either we had three different tornadoes or it was one continuous tornado. What it was, that is about 25 miles. So either long track tornado or it was one tornado. This is about to expire. We most likely will see a continuation. I am clicking the wrong button. We'll most likely see a continuation soon, or it will just. There we go. Severe thunderstorm for this area. Yeah, it's just continued. This is or if it's up here. No, because it's going into Liberty County, and that's. It didn't say if it was more possible still. So we'll see in a minute when it. Dude. Yeah, there we go. There it shows up on the radar. No, this is no longer tour possible. So at this moment, there are no more possible tags on any of our storms. We've been live for about not even an hour yet. Not even an hour. That's what I wish I was able to go live earlier in the day when we had our main stuff, when we had this stuff happening. We're having to resolve issues. You know, that's just. If I, at this moment, the only storm that really has a tornado chance would be this one. And it's starting to slowly die off. It's not even tornado possible anymore. I don't know. I'll be right back. I'm hungry. I'm kind of hungry. I'll be right back.
A new tornado warning has been issued.
We are back. Right now there's no tornado warnings in Texas, but there is one in at the Louisiana border. Part of it is in a county in Texas. Like, no, never mind. Never mind. It's all the way in. It's, but that does look pretty good. So, these are still warned. I don't think, are they tornado possible? No, they're not. Um, as of right now, nothing's happening. Tornado wise, we do still have a severe thunderstorm warning for about 30 minutes, so it'll end around about 6:30. Might get continued, and then we also have one will end at that same time. I know this is Louisiana. This actually does not look half bad at all. I get my camera back up now. Yeah, it worked. As of right now, there's nothing. I already talked about that. I want to see something. What if I did? Another browser source. Interact. This is the part of the full software y'all don't see. I only see. Or I only should be the one who sees it. Do some click. There we go. That looks actually pretty good. Not even gonna lie. It's out of pocket. So right now we do have a I think our tornado threat is transitioning more up here. We only have 2 storms that are warned over here. How do I think this event has gone so far? I think it's gone as predicted. It's a very conditional threat. What at first, and then we've
A new tornado watch has been issued.
um okay, so they have extended this, and it's now Tor possible. So that's we're definitely seeing an uptick in lightning. I have no idea where Tor possible is. Yeah, I something someone mentioned to me in one live stream that I really need to get better at pronouncing some of these counties, some of these places. And especially when doing Oklahoma area. I I've done a few of those county test things. Like guess like the county. I get like here, here, and like up here in that way into like the panhandle. I straight up just never can get those areas named correctly without butchering the name. Or I just forget like I couldn't tell you what the counties are called right now, but I know the name. I know how to pronounce them if I was shown them. Right now, that's our main tornado, and then this is something we'll continue. Other than that, this storm is about to enter Louisiana. These storms are also this has gone, this hasn't gone far. And you go back 30 frames, like 2 hours. It's in 2 hours, it's gone. Yeah. Right there, and now the warning is right here. So it's only gone. It's only gone about 50 miles in about 2 hours. So that's why you will notice these storms are not moving that quick. That's why we will notice more flash flood warnings. I remember we had the live stream during Barrel that, of course, those beginning tornadoes were around this area. I think Jasper, Texas got like one, two, three, like 3 or 4 tornadoes in their vicinity. And I remember we went live, and then the live stream kind of just broke, like just didn't work for a few minutes, and then finally we gave up, and then continued through the Facebook page. And well, we're working. I'm working on a 2024 review, more like weather review, like hurricanes, the heat waves for everything for all of America, and also some parts of all of America. And there is some stuff we'll have about like the typhoons in this area being. I think it was this area got like hit like 4 times in like a week, in like 2 weeks. But yeah, so we're working on that, of course. So I was looking at there's gonna be a part where we focus on Barrel, and we're gonna have show a lot of that live stream footage that we do have, and that is mainly when it was over Houston. Not really producing in tornadoes, but I do have like every tornado was in Texas until like until about right here when the warnings were done. We had I have those all those so. But yeah, that's the thing we're working on right now. Of course, we're also working on all of this. We'll set up. We got a new camera. This camera is so good at it's a lot better than the old thing. I need to find my side by side comparison. It is 10 times better. It works better. I'm gonna check the storm. I'm looking at the storm on a. Okay, so it's kind of dying. That was definitely on the ground at one point. We had a lot of, but this storm right here is the one we will be watching because it looks pretty interesting, to be honest. It is very it is trying. It definitely has the. I think we, from reports and everything, I want to bet we've had 5 to 6, maybe 7 tornadoes today. That could be completely wrong, but just to note that is from reports. And I remember we had a little bit there where I think I posted it on the Facebook page. That we have reports about, this is coming from 5 minutes ago, from Justin Aaron, and I have Google Earth up 24/7 for events like this because people they'll get reports in from an area and then not know where that area is at all. What is fun? Cleveland, Texas area. That would be Cleveland, Texas. That is Cleveland, Texas. Where's Cleveland? Where is Cleveland, Texas? Where? No. I don't know what. I must have accidentally copied. Apparently, they have confirmed tornado damage earlier in the event. Texas. I need my Cleveland, Texas. They have tornado damage. What tornado went through there? I don't think that was tornado damage. I think that should just be high wind damage. Let me just see. My thing doesn't go back. Or does it? No, it doesn't. Okay. Other than that, I think our tornado warning up south has been canceled. Yeah, or up north has been canceled. This is still thunderstorm warning, tornado possible. Sorry about that, folks. That was my mom. We're cleaning right now, apparently, or they're cleaning out there apparently. And apparently, she threw a balloon at me. This is also, by the way, the camera I'm using, the new camera. It is the DJI Action 4. It's gonna be a camera you're gonna see a lot with severe thunderstorms. What do hit near me? We'll see a lot more of that, and something you might not see as much severe weather footage in general. I got a drone. Pretty cool. I'll probably get some footage on it this weekend. I can't do it this today and tomorrow, but doing other stuff. But we try to figure that out. I've been flying around my room. I have a lot of space to do it. I don't have a lot of space, but I got enough space to fly a drone in it, so I count somewhere. Yeah, and I am hoping to change a lot of stuff. I do have a just move this real quick. I do have a what I about this is I can just this. I do have a stream deck stuff that I'm hoping to set up this weekend. Set up more of that where it can really do stuff. Then be a pretty cool feature. I can actually that's how I have been switching back and forth, and that's how I switched to that stuff. But as of right now, it is not fully set up. I am hoping to have a lot of random stuff on it. So, so as of right now, we have about 46 minutes. Let me pull this up on. Like I said, I'm having to manually go to the streaming software we use. Click on software, click on it, and then to switch over to this, I hope I can just throw my mouse and just throw it right here. As of right now, we have about 45 minutes till this ends. We do have a new watch that came in a few minutes ago. I think, let me see, where is this new watch? Okay, so like, let's see, what are these new counties in it? For Texas, you have Jasper, Jefferson, Newton, and Orange County. And Southeast Texas. Those are in the new watch. We will not stay live for that long, especially because the main reason this was issued was for the potential in this storm, but this storm is starting to kind of die out as, oh, I just realized it's not even, yeah, this is why. But this storm is starting to kind of slow down. I think mainly is still tour possible because of reasons. Oh my goodness, why do I keep opening that up? Like I said, why? I'm gonna switch to. We're gonna set up next week. Next time we have to go live. Hopefully with we having another severe weather with threat in Louisiana area and Mississippi area. I won't go live for that, but we will go. I will be testing all this stuff, doing more. I just got the overlay for this. We just got that. Uh, Ignoring it saying there's zero severe thunderstorm warnings. There is, and there's one right here. Like I said, the software isn't is kind of brand new, but it's good. I'll it's a really good software. No, I think with it, and I'll wait for this storm to not be tornado possible anymore, and when that happens, we will get offline stream. We'll be on for about we've been about on 2 hours. Wish hopefully next time I'll have a more easy plan and have this set up by then. One second, I change the batteries in this. No, I don't want to. No, I need to change the batteries. We're back. I didn't fully charge batteries on that thing for this at all. Need that in it. Yes, I keep the battery dock right here. Really cool thing is the Insta 6 is really good. I'll be using this a lot for live streams. I can just live stream YouTube into that, which is really cool. Of course, during severe thunderstorm setups, we actually are there. I can record or I can go live. I think is really cool. That'll most likely be more of a Facebook thing though, because Facebook's easier to do that with. A lot easier to just go live instantaneous instead of having to think other than this severe thunderstorm. I think we are kind of done for the night. I'm going into the wrong stuff. So it's just not going to pop up. Okay, that's maybe it's an issue with the code. Maybe I did something. I don't know. By the way, there's a lot of stuff I've actually upgraded for this event. I had new headphones. I love these things. New headphones. I've been using AirPods, and then I was using my little brother's headset for the longest time, and now I use these. These are pretty nice. Yeah, I think mainly after this, like I've said multiple times, after this gets expire, if because our next warning will most likely be if it does get warned again. I'd not be surprised if this does get a flash flood warning because you have had a train of supercells train through here. Actually, if I pull up, yeah, I would not be surprised at all if we get another flash flood warning over here soon. You do have radar indicated about a bit more radar indicated rain over here than you do tornado. There's two severe thunderstorm flash flood warnings up there, so pretty fun, pretty neat. Four tornadoes have been reported today. That does not mean four tornadoes happen. These two could definitely be the same thing. I mean, not this. This was a water spout. Moved on land. This is most likely not the same tornado. These two could be, or these two could be two different reports. We also did have 1 inch hail reported over here near Center and Timpson and Nogososa. Not be surprised at all if they cancel this warning at the moment. To be honest. That's why I'm not getting. Why I'm not getting any audio for my headphones this time. Headphones, but then that's why I'm not getting any. Okay, I've been trying to figure this out for like the past like hour. Why I'm not been getting any audio. But now I figured it out. Now I figured it out. Now I've figured it out. So that's good. Now I can hear myself. I don't really like hearing myself in streams. It makes me confused. I think for now, keep looking over there like you'll be able to see me. I think for now, this is over. I'm gonna say that and it's gonna another warning is gonna pop up, watch, but I do think that looks so weird. I do think though that the even is over for today for Texas. Thanks for coming to the live stream, of course, and if you can like and subscribe to the channel to get more updates. We will most likely have a video out tomorrow. Other than that, thanks for coming to the live stream, and we will hopefully I won't have to go live anytime soon, because if I do, that means severe weather is happening. We don't like that. So see y'all again soon. Bye.